Hi guys, today I am going to be telling you how to draw a bird using 6-7. Okay, let's start here. First, write 6-7. Now, join this together here and join these together. Now, draw a circle and draw a beak. Okay, and you must do like this 4 wings and do like this a bit and draw a smiley face. That is a bird. I think it is good, but if you like it, please comment I like it. If you don't like it, you put an emoji trash. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. Now it's getting late. Bye.